I will show how to create a file in Linux. To create a file, it needs the command touch and file name. Let's say file name is cat, or let's say file name is animal. Now press enter. File created. How to see file is created? Type ls. ls means list. To list, so it shows the file animal. If we want to create a file cat, let's say cat. So it now how to see file is created? You see cat is created. If you want to create a file dog is created. See how to clear the screen? Clear, press enter. Now we have 3 files. How to delete file? Type rm file name. Animal is deleted. How to see animal is deleted? You see here is no more animal. How to delete other cat and dog? You can delete all together. See, it is done.